See the issue? This is why I'm replacing these bolts. It's leaking. I want to get this bucket here to catch the water. And you're going to loosen up this bolt here. Drain the water out of the tank first before you remove the other bolt. You get a wrench or pliers down here, and then you have to go inside the tank with a flathead screwdriver to unscrew that. And it's going to be hard because it's rusty. You might even have to cut it. What I did was use my impact driver to carefully break the bolt free. And I have my vice grips down here, and I hold on to these with one hand and then use the driver with the other hand. See, and it's working. Remove this. Look how nasty that is. Clean it up. Put the new seal. Put a washer on the end of the bolt. These are stainless, so that rust problem won't happen again. Put the washer on it and then stick it inside the tank. Then you're going to put your screwdriver on the end of the bolt and come to the nut and tighten it with your pliers. Don't make it too tight because you'll break the tank. After you get these snuggled up, then you can reinstall it on the toilet. After you get the tank back on, you're going to put a washer, then a stainless washer, and then the nut. See the new seal in there? Then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing on the other side with the other bolt, and then you're going to tighten these incrementally, little by little. And don't make them too tight because you'll break this here or you'll break the tank.